Welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto, everyone. Within 48 hours, the CEO of Shiba Inu disclosed the precise explanation of the covered price pump. In the first stage, a cup and handle emerges as the price moves in a U-shaped pattern, rising and falling, and then quickly moving sideways or downward in the second stage. Interestingly, a common resistance level serves as the foundation for the price movement. After the price breaks over the resistance level, cup and handle patterns usually end. On August 14, Shib followed suit after increasing 27% to 0.000016. This video will discuss the Shiba Inu CEO's 48-hour explanation of the covered price pump. To view our most recent content on Shiba Inu pricing forecasts and expert analysis, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get the video started right now. The distance between the pattern's lowest point and the resistance line is measured, then added to the breakout point to determine the cup and handle breakout target. Shib might therefore move in the direction of 0.2253. That is a 50% increase in price by September. Fundamentally, other from a statistic indicating that Shiba's burn rate increased by 825% in a single day, there were no discernible drivers for the 27% intraday price spike of Shiba Inu on August 14. However, the value of the burned Shib is only slightly more than $4,500, but over the course of its existence, the Shiba Inu network has burned more than $6.36 million worth of Shib tokens. Furthermore, the Shiba Inu rally occurred nearly 10 days after Binance declared that its European payment cards would now support Shib. By doing this, the cryptocurrency exchange increased Shib's chances of attracting new customers in the nascent European cryptocurrency market. However, considering that cup and handle setups only have a 61% success probability in reaching their profit goals, according to seasoned analyst Tom Bolkowski, weak fundamentals could counteract Shib's technically optimistic bias. Shib may thus be eyeing an initial drop towards 0.1306, down 20% from the price on August 14, following a failed cup and handle breakout and a pullback from the 200-day exponential moving average near 0.1755. The token's overbought daily relative strength index could cause Shiba Inu's cup and handle setup to fizzle. Interestingly, the RSI has surpassed 70, which usually signals a time of sideways consolidation or decline. The cryptocurrency market's most recent rebound indications could portend an impending bull run. The future of some cryptocurrency assets in 2, 3, and even 5 years is still a mystery to skeptics. One such resource that keeps the community interested throughout its future is the well-known meme coin Shiba Inu. Due to a sharp increase in price on the charts, Shib has already regained a market valuation of $7.5 billion. It will be Shib's fourth consecutive positive week if he ends the day tomorrow on a high note. When Shiba Inu finally reached its all-time high of 0.88 in late September 2021, that was the last time such a run occurred. Shib was trading at 0.00001549 at the time of writing, up 23% in the previous day. The Shib army, which has been supporting the meme coin, has long anticipated the bull activity on Shiba Inu. Shib was moreover 85% off its ATH just now, but the surge indicated above improved the atmosphere surrounding it. The current events surrounding Shiba Inu are mostly to blame for the bull behavior. The community has great hopes for the introduction of Shibarium Layer 2 and the Shiba Inu financial ecosystem. Similar to Ethereum, Shiba Inu has high gas prices and network congestion. This further highlights Shibarium's launch, which seeks to speed up and lower the cost of transactions. This quarter is anticipated to see the introduction of the Shibarium public beta testnet. In the meanwhile, Q4 2022 is when the metaverse and the Shiba Inu NFT ecosystem are scheduled to debut. The top 2,000 Ethereum whales have been aggressively changing their holdings in significant ways, per whale stats. These whales contain Shiba Inu valued at about $179.34 million as of August 13. Since August 3, when holdings reached $600 million, there has been a significant shift in these assets. This indicates a decline in trust among the community's market maker whales. Shib investors have seen a huge increase in profits in spite of the whale factor. With the same number of 23.32%, the MVRV ratio showed a sharp increase today. According to Santiment, this can also be utilized to provide insight on the growing interest in Shiba Inus among short-term traders. The Shiba Inu's RSI has increased dramatically over the past 12 hours and was trading above 90 due to rising prices that predict rapid returns. This indicates that the asset is in a zone that is significantly overbought. This could potentially indicate a price increase in the near future. Shiba Inu investors, however, will now be able to enjoy the ride. It is ranked as the 15th largest cryptocurrency by CoinMarketCap. Shiba Inu has recently made headlines in the cryptocurrency news after the much-awaited Bone Farms plan won the community vote on June 27, 2022, with a 97.88% majority. In the Shiba Inu Shib ecosystem, Bone is one of 4 tokens that are used for staking, yield farming, trading, and rewards. The other 3 are Shiba Inu, Leash, and the shibaswap LP token. The month of July saw a modest rebound in the cryptocurrency markets. With profits from people anticipating the merge, Ethereum took the lead. This was also the case with Bitcoin and other significant cryptocurrency initiatives. Shiba Inus also made a minor recovery. Shib's burn portal was nevertheless proceeding at full speed. 4.76 billion Shiba Inu tokens were destroyed and transferred to the dead wallet in July. Shibburn claims that the burns occurred during 505 transactions. Additionally, the burning continued until August 1st, during which 6.6 million Shiba Inu tokens were burned in a single transaction. According to the burn portal, 1.3 million more tokens were burnt during a different transaction. Furthermore, according to the burn portal, 32 distinct transactions totaling 216,487,442 Shib tokens were burned in a 24-hour period on August 1. In April, it was introduced. Shiba Inu's burn gateway has been working diligently to lower the amount of Shib tokens in circulation. This is an effort to make each token more expensive. However, the efforts haven't produced the desired results. As of right now, the fires haven't affected the token's price. Playside Studios is collaborating on the game's development. The company has also disclosed that the game would be accessible on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Additionally, the project has numerous releases planned for this year. A lot of people are excitedly awaiting the release of Shibarium, their Layer 2. Additionally, Shiba Inu will introduce TreeAT, another incentive token. They will also introduce a stablecoin named SHEI. Since Ethereum serves as the underlying blockchain for Shiba Inu and kindred coins like Bone and Leash, some observers think that Shiba's ascent may be connected to the cryptocurrency behemoth. Ethereum engineers recently revealed that, following the successful completion of a significant technical test, a long-awaited blockchain update could arrive as early as mid-September. On Monday, Dogecoin, another dog-related memecoin on Ethereum's blockchain, saw a 2.5% increase in value, while Ethereum's price increased 1.6%. The weekend saw the breakout of both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, which is unmistakable proof that the retail investor is returning. In a Monday message, Hayden Hughes, CEO of Alpha Impact, a social trading platform, said, "However, it's crucial to avoid extrapolating too much from Shiba Inu's ascent. Despite having a sizable and fervent following, the Shiba Inu currency is a very erratic meme coin with minimal intrinsic value. A few traders made millions of dollars when they cashed out their funds at or close to the market's peak. One Reddit member commented, 'I don't know what's happening right now, but it seems to be a pump and dump,' implying that Shib's value could decrease just as fast as it increased. Many people have fantastic selling opportunities on days like today, but we must also remember that the token that started out as a memecoin made 100% of its owner's money in a single night. A number of millionaires were created. Therefore, since the price of Shiba Inu may increase tonight,